What are you counting? I'm counting the windows. Oh, can you count them all? No, I can't. Well, I guess you need to find a QS. What's a QS? Did you pay attention in class? No, I don't. Well, same to me also. Why not? Let's go interview one. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Miss Ellie.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm from School of Architecture in Chelsea University. So we're here to actually to interview you to inquire more about what a QS is and more about QS. So can we interview you?
Okay. Okay, QSing is another profession in the construction industry. It's a different role that they are playing. By the name itself, quantity surveyor, meaning it's more related to the quantity of a building. Quantifying the building material. Quantifying the building material. For a building that's designed by the architect, they do need a profession to work out the cost. For a QS to advise the cost, they will need to quantify the material contained in this building. Of course, the building cannot be completed. So what we do is, we base on the drawing. From there, we quantify the material that required to build up the building. No, but basically they are working in the different industry. Like they work for the developer, they work for the contractor, and they work for the consultant. So these are the three differences. For certain people, they choose to work for their own, meaning on the freelancing basis. Okay, consultancy QS are more on, normally it's employed by the developer to kinds of the assistant in administrating the whole project on the QS role, right from the preparation of the feasibility study up to the tender calling, to the final account, the whole project. All the aspects of the QSing we will experience in the consultancy firm. For the contractor firm, you will mainly involved in the participating in the tender, meaning that you collect the tender document from the consultancy firm and you do up, price up the tender document and do the submission. And if you are lucky, you got a project, then you will be on a post-contract. Post-contract side, that meaning that you are actually assisting your boss, to do procurements, to do site verification, and submit the claim to the consultant for them to process. The developer QS will be those are actually more on the project management side. They're getting advice from the consultant QS. From there, they present it to their boss. More on the coordination role. The consultant QS are reporting to the developer. Normally, it's reporting to the QS in charge. They term it as a contract department. So, reporting to the head of contract department. Yeah, budget is a very big concern. Because of this budget that the employer, the developer actually, based on this budget, that they determine the selling price of the product. Based on the budget allocated, the QS will advise the architect for the alternative material for them to the change of design to the developer. The budget is the ultimate what is so-called target that they need to achieve before the project can actually move on to the construction stage.
So can they still use it even though the QS already advised them?
Provided the developer is willing to accept this additional cost, or otherwise the architect has no choice, got to look for the authentic design or material. Consultancy field, of course, is not affected. Construction cost, yes, is affected, but not the consultant cost. Oh no. because we are all in this industry. Communication shouldn't be a problem to talk about. We have our common language to deal with. We have the drawing to base on. Certain discrepancy may bound to happen, but you can trace out easily.
So, sure you
Consultants are human beings. We can talk. It's my profession. I need to like my job. That is a profession that I choose to take on. I go through all the process in QSC, so there are no such thing as I like which part of it. It's what I have to handle. But we are in the service industry. We need to like our job before we can service people well. To me, I went through all the process, so I can't recall which part is more challenging or not challenging. So to me, it's just a process. Any problem, press out, just face it. That's all. But before you push out your work, you must actually, your own self-satisfaction must be there. We have our own system to make sure that piece of work before we actually issue to the client is actually meeting the requirement. Commitment. Commitment is very important. Depends the project, what the project wanted us to do. Certain project we only involved in the building work, basic building and infra work. Certain project need our input in the ID work. Certain project need our input specifically in the FNBE work. Based on the requirement, then we will need to look at the different type of drawing. If you like this profession, then you study it. It's only. You're welcome. Yes.
So can you show us the environment of your office?
I am having quite a tight schedule today. You don't mind I get my staff to show you the office?
Yeah, no problem.
So you may show them around? Okay.
Like this one is come from the CNS for DPKL. The client is DPKL.
These drawings are produced by the engineers.
Yes, the engineers and the this one is produced by us. So this is one of the what QS rules to produce a contract document.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.